Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete virus in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care. After that scroll down a bit and then go to app protection option. Now from here you can detect or delete your virus. So you have to scan your phone, then just tap on scan phone. And you can see that it will start scanning your phone. So just give it a moment to complete the scanning. And it's done. You can see there are no threats found in my phone. That means there are no virus in my phone. Now just go to home screen and then open up your Play Store. Then tap on this profile icon and then go to manage apps and device. Then go to harmful apps. Then you have to scan your all the apps from here. Then just tap on scan and give it a moment. And the scan is complete. You can see there are no harmful apps in my phone. And that is how you can delete virus in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.